Let's fix your WhatsApp account if it's banned. Now, if you try to go in and you try to open up WhatsApp and then you find that it is banned, maybe you see a message like this account can't use WhatsApp. Depending on what it says, you might be able to get it fixed. You might be able to get your account reinstated. But keep in mind, if it says something like we've completed our review and found this account activity goes against the terms of service, if they've already looked at it or given you a permanent ban, then potentially they're not ever going to get you that account back. You could create a different account using a different phone number, all of that stuff. But another thing that you can do, keep in mind, if you just go to a web browser and type in WhatsApp banned, and you go to this first one about account bans, there is a way to request that WhatsApp reviews it. So if you scroll down and you say, if you think your account was banned by mistake, please email us or tap the request review. So if you tap email and it says WhatsApp Messenger support, so you can tap on that and hit contact us. And now basically all you have to do is enter your phone number, your email address, what device you're using, Android, iPhone, whatever, and then you can enter in the message below. So basically what you're going to want to do here is explain what happened, why your account shouldn't have been banned, and give as much detail as possible. They'll get back to you, they'll review this usually within a week or so, and they hopefully will go back and unban your account or allow you to get it back, and so you can use WhatsApp, message people, and all that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.